If your window rolls up and then suddenly stops, stay tuned for this video because I'm going to show you how to fix it. My name is Rick Burrows, you're watching Fix It Rick, so let's fix it. First thing we need to do is roll the window all the way down. Now we have to take off this whole cover assembly. There's screws here and 2 screws underneath here. This one is in the shape of a star, but if you have a flat head, that'll work too. Now let's go ahead and remove this thing and then get right to the screws down there. Now what you can do is start to pry right off. Some cars may have this little piece right here where you can pry this off and you'll see a little screw in there. So in order to get that out, you're gonna need a 7mm socket. Now we can go ahead and pull the door off. This electrical connection is really easy to take apart. You simply squeeze the side, just like that. Now let's swing the door, move it to the side. Using that same 7mm, we have to take out this screw to the speaker. Grab the top of the speaker. Now we need to remove this screw. For this, you're gonna need a 10mm. Now let's go ahead and remove this piece right here. Now put your hand where the speaker is and look down inside. You can move this piece right over and slide the glass right back in place. Now let's go ahead and put that 10mm bolt back in. Now the speaker and the 7mm nut, and we'll flip this around, our connection. Now let's put this back on. You can tell that this side matches with the lock. Get the lock lined up, and then the door just fits right in place. And with all the holes lined up, let's go ahead and put it back in. And same thing on the other side. And we're going to put that 7mm back in place and that little cover. Time to put the screws back in here and in here. Put this back in. Now let's put this cover back on. You simply align the holes and you press in. Now let's test it out. Excellent. If you found that this video was helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And always remember that Jesus Christ loves you and only He can solve your biggest problem.